Are you studying to take your PMP or your CAPM exam by the end of this year? All that and more in today's video. I want to share with you that I'm fully committing myself to studying for and passing my CAPM exam by the end of this year. If you think you're alone studying for your PMP or your CAPM exam, I want you to know that you're not alone. So let's go on this journey together and become certified project managers.
I'm sharing this video with you not only to hold myself accountable to achieving this goal of mine, but also because I want to motivate and inspire you. I want to share with you all of my experiences from the very beginning to the very end, even my mistakes, and of course, everything that I'm learning through this entire process. Learn from my journey so you don't make the same mistakes that I'm making, and so you can pass and dominate your PMP and CAPM exam on your first try. If I can accomplish this within the next 45 to 60 days, then I know that you can do it too.
I'm here to be your personal coach, your mentor, someone who's doing this alongside with you. So let's go on this journey together and become certified project managers.
As a matter of fact, are you studying for your PMP or CAPM exam, and when do you plan to take it? I'd love to hear from you, so let me know by writing it down in the comment section below.
Whether you're studying for your PMP or your CAPM exam, I am so excited to share with you everything that I'm learning.
Question of the day for you. What industry are you currently working in, and where do you see yourself advancing in your career? Let me know and share it in the comment section down below. If you'd like to join me on this journey to pass and dominate your PMP and CAPM exam, hit subscribe, share this video with a friend, and definitely give this video a huge thumbs up. By the way, I'm planning to launch a website sharing free weekly exam practice questions, the best exam prep material, and free resources that you can use to pass your PMP and CAPM exam. So if that's something that you're interested, be sure to subscribe and check out the link below. I'm Alvin the PM, giving you the best tips and tricks in project management, and I'll see you in next week's video.